Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with skin that's clean and completely dry. If you've oily residue, remove it now. Open the packet and separate the two sides. Alpha is the exfoliating side, beta is the hydrating side, so you don't confuse them. Apply alpha to face and neck with gentle outward strokes. Avoid eyes and lips. Move quickly but deliberately and set a timer for the recommended immediate contact time. Once applied, resist rubbing. This is the active period, when acids start working to dissolve dead skin cells. Maintain attention to time and sensation. Alpha typically stays on for 2 to 3 minutes, shorter if you're sensitive, because overexposure increases irritation risk. While it's on, breathe and avoid movement that can rub the product into the eyes. Once the timer ends, rinse gently with lukewarm water until no residue remains. Make sure to pat dry. Immediately apply the beta side for about 1 minute to neutralize and infuse hyaluronic acid and peptides. This step restores pH balance and locks in moisture. Finish by applying a gentle moisturizer and, if daytime, a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30. Chemical peels increase sun sensitivity. Avoid other actives like retinoids or strong exfoliants for the next 2 to 3 days to let the barrier recover. If you experience excessive burning, redness, or swelling, rinse with cool water for 10 minutes, stop using the peel, and consult a professional. Consider over-the-counter hydrocortisone for short-term relief if advised. Make sure to adjust
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.